Hello folks, this is Untitled Chapter from inspiredrise.com, and today we are going to talk about the Poco F2 Pro, which is essentially a rebranded Redmi K30 Pro 5G. And let's first start with the unboxing for the same. So guys, inside the box you get this intro ejector tool, the documentation for this one. There's a black rubberized TPU cover, there's the phone on the inside along with the fast charging module for this one, and the USB Type-C cable. If we talk more about the build and design, it's a rebranded Redmi K30 Pro along with the Poco launcher and fewer ads. It weighs around 219 grams, not at all handy. Has a 4700 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charging, and it's around 8.9 millimeters thick. It has Gorilla Glass 5 on the back and the front along with aluminum frame and supports dual SIM. It has a 6.67 inch Super AMOLED HDR10 Plus display, but there is no high refresh rate support, and the full view display is achieved via pop-up camera mechanism, and it comes with only single speaker setup. And apart from that, I believe that this is one of the few flagship phones which comes with a 3.5mm jack. Has a Snapdragon 865 on the inside. 6 or 128GB model is present, or 8 or 256GB model. The 8GB RAM model has a faster LPDDR5 RAM module. If we talk more about the camera capabilities of this smartphone, the selfie camera on this one is a 20 megapixel camera. There is a 64MP primary shooter at the back along with a telephoto, ultra wide and a depth lens. It shoots up to 8K videos in 30 frames per second and has gyro EIS support. The price online is right now around $500, which would be around 37 to 39,000 INR in India. If we talk about few other features, it does support high resolution audio, and I believe that the pricing would determine everything about the smartphone. But there is no IP rating on this one, no wireless charging, no SD card slot, and MIUI along with its ads is not something which is a great choice for a lot of users. The camera situation can be fixed via using Gcam, etc. But at the end of the day, everything would boil down to what the final pricing for this smartphone would be. So guys, do let me know what you think about the smartphone in the comments section below. Right now I think it's a great smartphone, but there are few cons for this one, and there are a lot of positives as well, that it comes with the fastest chipset right now, and it does come up with a full view display, and at the same time it's not really a handy smartphone. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspired Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. I hope you all guys are safe, and guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.